Enabling biometric login on Kajabi can enhance your security and streamline your access. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Access your Kajabi account. Log into your Kajabi account using your standard credentials. Ensure you are using a device that supports biometric authentication, such as a smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to proceed. Step 3. Find Biometric Login option. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Login Options section. Here, you should find the option for enabling biometric login. Click on it to continue. Step 4. Enable biometric authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Test biometric login. After enabling the feature, log out of your Kajabi account. Attempt to log back in using your biometric method fingerprint or facial recognition to ensure that it is functioning correctly. If successful, your setup is complete. Now you can enjoy the convenience and security of biometric login on Kajabi.